Okay, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be talking about how you can check your HELB loan status in your HEF portal. So you'll have to search for HEF portal. Then you'll see we have some links here. Link 1, link 2, link 3. You'll have to go with the first link, which says that portal.hef.co.ke. So you'll have to click that one. Then you will be redirected to another page where you'll have to insert your login details. So you can as well do it with your mobile phone. You'll have to maybe navigate and select desktop mode or whichever UI interface you will be using. So you'll have to sign in with your Gmail account. Then you'll have to enter your password. Let me type my email at gmail.com. Okay, then I'm going to enter my password. So that I can proceed to sign in and access my HELB account. So I'm going to log in. So here, this page, you will see my profile. You will see my account messages, my profile, HELB scholarship. Then if you minimize that, you will have to select my loans so that you can check your existing loans and also the loans which are in progress and yet to be disbursed. So you can see for my previous year I was allocated 50,000. Okay, if I click on few details, I'll be able to see how much was allocated and when was it paid to my account. So for this, I've received my app. So you can see SEM 1, Upkeep, SEM 2. You can see paid to account on 4th January 2024. Then we have Upkeep. We have for SEM 1 tuition loan issue. You can see 4K. Then we have Upkeep loan issue. You can see here the amount was paid on August last year. But for this, you are seeing here disbursement in progress. This is the loan I'm awaiting. I think the status is paid also. I'm waiting anytime to confirm with my bank if I've been sent that loan amount. So you can see tuition amount, then you can see paid on batch number 5784. Then we have batch number 5800 for my Upkeep. The Upkeep has been paid, so I'm here to confirm. And also the tuition has been paid. I'm here to confirm with my school portal account. So that's how simple it is. So you'll have to see the progress. If it is disbursement in progress, maybe allocated, maybe how much have you been allocated. So make sure to update your profile. So you'll have to click here where it has been written, click here. So you will have to agree the terms and service. So you can see 86% complete. I'm here to confirm and provide more data of my account. So if I click save and proceed, you can see success. So make sure to update your profile so that your loan might not be suspended or held for some time. Make sure the profile is up to date. So you'll have to fill right from personal info, residence, education, institution. Then you complete your profile and you are good to go to receive your next payment from HEF portal. So that's it for today. See you. Check this other video.